Get ready with me for work today as I show you my skincare product of the month pick. If you are like me and you are looking for a really good plumping moisturizer, this product is it. It is the best product I've tried all month, so it really deserves a deep dive here, but I promise it's gonna be quick because gotta go to work. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel here, The Budget Dermatologist. You know I'm all about skincare education. I help you build customized skincare routines that will not break the bank, that will actually work for your skin. And come say hi on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. So let's get into this product of the month. Everything is linked below. This video is not sponsored. Can I take a quick side note before I pin my hair up to do my skincare routine? If you've been following me on Instagram and seen my journey trying to figure out and use my Dyson Airwrap that I got on Black Friday, it's going well. So here's the update. I washed my hair 2 days ago and did the Airwrap. It was great. And then each morning, yesterday and then this morning, dry hair, I put the Airwrap back through it and just kind of put back in these loose curls that look so nice. So I am loving that. I will link this below if you guys are interested, but let's get into my skincare routine. We're already behind. So if you want a plumping moisturizer that is very affordable, this one is $20. This is going to be for you. Also, if you want to repair your skin barrier and treat early signs of aging. So like I mentioned, this video is not sponsored. My January 2024 product of the month is by the Inky List. This is the Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturizer. Now, this product is a standout product, unlike most other barrier repair products, because it is not heavy and greasy on the skin, hence why I can use this in the morning before work, before I put on other makeup. This really just delicately achieves the impossible. It is ultra nourishing, yet it is absorbable and lightweight. And this really is just one of the few skin barrier repair products that you can successfully wear under makeup without it pilling up or kind of sliding off your face. So for this product, the Inky List used the latest skincare technology to create these bioactive ceramides, which basically means that they have kind of like shorter molecular weight so that they absorb through the skin layers rather than just sitting on top of that outer layer of skin or the skin surface. And that is how it works to repair the skin without being really heavy or greasy just on the top layer. Now, the purpose of this product is threefold, okay? This is going to moisturize and hydrate your skin. It is going to repair your skin barrier so it holds on to that moisture better. And 3, it is going to reduce signs of early aging like your fine lines and wrinkles. So the results to expect with this product are plump skin, more firm, more bouncy. You can even do the skin snap test and you should feel your skin bounce back more quickly. It is going to give you the results of flattening your fine lines and wrinkles and making them less noticeable, and skin barrier repair so that you are going to hold on to water and moisture more effectively in your skin. You are going to prevent that dry, flaking skin and just help keep toxins and other environmental stressors out of your skin because of your strong skin barrier. And you can expect this to keep your skin hydrated for a full 24 hours. So let's highlight some key ingredients in this product that I really want you to know that are the reason you are getting results from this product. First, it has bioactive ceramides. This is what is going to repair your skin barrier in a very unique manner. So ceramides are a must in a skin barrier product because these are crucial building blocks in your outer skin layer that help protect your skin. They keep water in and the hydration in and bad things like toxins out. So if you have a damaged skin barrier with loss of ceramides, then you need a product like this to add them back in, repair your skin, prevent that flaky skin barrier that's leaky. So really think of ceramides like glue or plugs for the holes between your skin cells. Now, typically, ceramides are these long chain molecules that will sit on the outer top layer of the skin and provide hydration to that layer. However, in this product here, they made these different because they broke them down into smaller molecular weights. So they actually absorb through the skin and can repair at multiple levels. Also, this has glycerin and shea butter, which are good for hydration and moisturizing the skin. Glycerin is going to pull moisture into the skin, and then shea butter is going to act as this emollient to help hold it there. And this is partly responsible of why this gives you 24-hour hydration. And it is also non-comedogenic, so non-acne forming. Now, I mentioned that this can also help fine lines and wrinkles. It does this not only through hydration, like I just mentioned, where we are creating more bounce to our skin, but it also has a special ingredient in it. It's a cross polymer that has a very soft focus effect on the skin. This is going to help scatter light, which blurs the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkles and your pores. And this creates almost this instant improvement of the skin. Now, this product is also vegan. It is cruelty-free. It's fragrance-free. It's gluten-free. It's alcohol-free. It is safe for pregnancy and breastfeeding. So you can check this out if you are interested in those types of categories of products. Now let's get into the good stuff. It's time to start actually doing something so I can make it to work on time. Let's talk about the texture and feel of this product. You see it comes in a jar and you just apply it to the skin. Now, here's a tip. Do not overdo it. You do not need a thick layer. I may have put even a little bit too much on because I am not paying attention to what I'm doing as I am trying to multitask here, but you need just a thin layer for the whole surface of the skin. You can even pull this down the neck. This is very unique. It is a non-comedogenic product, like I mentioned, which is non-acne forming. It does not pill under makeup for me, although there are many variables that go into makeup and layering products and if it's going to pill for you or not. For me, I love this for morning time, part of my morning skincare routine, and then I can put any other products or makeup over it. It's fine. Here's the thin layer on my skin. This is for all skin types, definitely approved for sensitive skin. Its formula is amazing. So let's talk about your skincare routine and how to incorporate this in the morning. So what I'm doing is morning skincare routine. You can use this in your morning and nighttime skincare routine, or even just once a day, because it really does give you that 24-hour hydration. Okay, well, my camera died, so I'm on my cell phone now. I'm trying to finish telling you that I use this as the last step in my skincare routine of products before I put on my SPF for the day. So I'm going to be going more into depth soon on my channel about a full skin barrier routine, like step 1 and on. So if you want even more details about how to put this or just how to build up your skin barrier with a routine, check that out on my channel very soon. The price of this is $20. This is even less than some of my other favorite drugstore moisturizers by Neutrogena, CeraVe, La Roche-Posay. So this is extremely, extremely affordable for a technologically advanced moisturizer, if you will. So I'm linking this one below. So this is my January product of the month. If you guys have tried it, comment below what you think and make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications for my next video all about a skin barrier reset routine. And come say hi on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. See you guys soon.